Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we dive into the latest cafe racer classic making waves in 2025, the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Known for blending retro charm with modern engineering, the 2025 model brings some exciting upgrades that enthusiasts won't want to miss. Timeless design meets modern precision. The Continental GT 650 continues its legacy with a timeless, minimalist cafe racer silhouette. For 2025, Royal Enfield introduces new colour schemes, a sleeker fuel tank design, and updated badging that adds a fresh yet nostalgic appeal. The signature clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs remain, keeping that aggressive riding posture true to its heritage. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 648 cubic centimetre parallel twin engine returns, now refined with improved fueling and ride-by-wire throttle response. The result? Smoother acceleration and better mid-range torque. Whether you're carving up back roads or cruising city streets, the GT650 delivers a responsive and thrilling ride. Technology and features. The 2025 GT650 now includes a digital analog instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and USB charging as standard. Dual-channel ABS, improved suspension tuning, and new alloy wheels with tubeless tyres enhance safety and convenience without compromising the bike's vintage vibe. Riding experience and ergonomics. This model's revised seat cushioning and suspension setup provide a more comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. The lightweight chassis combined with the punchy engine makes it ideal for both seasoned riders and new cafe racer fans alike. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 is a bold step forward while staying true to its roots. With thoughtful upgrades and that unmistakable retro aura, it remains one of the best value cafe racers on the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth bike reviews from Next Gen Reviews.